Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add hashtags to Instagram post. If you are using Instagram and now you want to add hashtags to your Instagram post, let's see how can do that. You must have to open the Instagram app and here just tap on this plus icon to create new post. Just tap on it and here just select the post section and here you must have to select any photo from your gallery or you can easily take a photo from here. I have selected, just tap on next option and here you can make edits to your post if you want to. Just tap on next and here you just have to enter hashtags. So let's see how. First of all, I'm going to enter there, let's see, flower, and here you must have to enter a hash and then enter text just like that. And here's the trending hashtag, just tap on it and here let's see, I'm going to enter a new tag. First of all, just enter hash and then enter the tag. And just select the first option. So in this way you can easily add different hashtags for your Instagram posts. When you have that, just tap on OK option and then tap on share. So in this way you can easily add hashtags to an Instagram post. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.